This is a room tour of Junior Suite 11242 on Wonder of the Seas. As we come into the room, you can see it's just really a nice size room, nice and bright, and very spacious. Give you a good little overview, and then we can start into the more detailed tour. So starting here on the back of the door, our room is located here, so it's very close to the elevators. And then the muster station is E4, which is by guest services. As you come into the room, on the right side is the bathroom. And the nice thing about Junior Suites is you get the full bathtub. Unfortunately, in these rooms, they've started doing this half shower door. It does tend to get a little bit of water on the floor from the half shower door, so just make sure you put down some towels. It does have the shower head that can be adjusted in height. And we have the Salt and Breeze amenities with shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And then you've got the sink with shelving on each side here in the bathroom. And a nice big mirror, well lit. Overall, a nice bathroom. And then on the other side, on the left side, as you come into the room, the other nice thing about the Junior Suites is this massive walk-in closet, which is just really great for being able to put all your things away. So there's plenty of shelving in here. There are a lot of hangers. And then they also have robes. Okay. Also, right outside the bathroom, there is a full-length mirror. All right, we have a king-size bed. It can be split into two twins if you need that. And on each side of the bed, there is a lamp that has an American plug and a USB port, and that is the same on each side of the bed. And there is a nightstand on each side that also has some shelving there. And then in the main part of the room over here on this side, we have a closet and some drawers in the desk area. In the closet, there is a safe. It's a small safe. It can hold your passports, wallet, but not much else. It is a pretty small safe. But in here there's shelving. There's a little bit more hanging space, although in these rooms you don't really need it because you've got all that in the closet. And then there's two drawers at the bottom. And then in the desk area there's drawers, and in this section there is the cooler. It's a cooler, not a refrigerator generally, but it is, this one feels pretty cold. Colder than most, I would say. And then in this drawer we have the hair dryer, which it's not one where you have to hold the button. So this one seems like a decent hair dryer. And then you also have the room service menu. There's complimentary for the Continental, and then if you want to order hot breakfast, it is $7.95 per delivery order. And we've noticed they also have a mini bar order form that you can order if you want. The Junior Suite also comes with the Lavazza coffee machine. It does have these pods. So you have a cafe crema and a decaf. To make the coffee, you just open this up, you drop your pod in, push that down, and then push the button for your coffee. There is a nice lighted mirror here at the desk, and then down below there is an American plug. There's actually 3 American plugs. 2 European plugs and 2 USB plugs. So a nice selection of plugs in this room. And then we also have a nice sofa. This sofa does not look like it converts into a pull-out. You've got a nice table and a chair and a decent sized TV. And then another nice feature of the Junior Suite is the nice balcony. And in this case, we are on the bump out, so we have a little bit wider balcony. So it's very nice and wide. We've got 2 chairs with the little footstools. This is a pretty small table. You're going to get your coffee cup on there, and that's about it. But you do have a nice table inside the room for putting things on. Again, just a really nice, wide, spacious balcony because we are on the bump out of the ship. And we are in Port of Miami today. A glorious day for a cruise. And looking back towards the front of the ship, this is where you can see our room is on the bump out a little bit. If you look up, you can see the hot tub up there. That's kind of has an overhang. You can see the bridge wings down there. And then around the Port of Miami. And then back this way, again, you can see we're on the bump out. You can kind of look back towards the back of the ship. Again, beautiful day for a cruise out of the Port of Miami. And this is Wonder of the Seas, Junior Suite 11242.